Nung munta ka king syudad ning Angeles, metong ka rin lugar o istruktura na ali dapat palagpasan puntalan, ing museo ning Angeles. Magsilbi ang baleti para ka rin memorabilya ning kasaysayan ning syudad, kultura, ampong herensya. King gulot ning pa magpreserba ampong rehabilitasyon ning museo, apin ning Kulyat Foundation Incorporated o KDI ang ngeni at 25 banwa ng kakaulan ing responsibilidad IT. Agpangkang Angeles City Vice Mayor Vicky Vega Kabigting, libutan din progreso ang modernisasyon, ay yumilako pwesto yung kultura king syudad uli ning foundation.
Ang maganda po kasi is meron po tayong magiging guardians or taga-sulong no, ng ating kultura at lalo na po sa Kapampangan and Angeleño culture. So I think it's really good that every LGU should have this kind of a foundation no po, na mag-encourage sila ng mga people in the community who love arts, culture, and who wants to preserve that kind of culture. No? So tayo po, napakahalaga dito po sa Angeles City, meron tayong Kulyat Foundation na kung saan po itong mga individuals na nagbo-volunteer para po makapag-come up ng mga activities para po ma-preserve yung ating kultura bilang mga Angeleño. No po.
Niting Martes, March 12, pegmasosyan niya yung 25th anniversary ng Kulyat Foundation. Keti kinilala rin personalidad, organisasyon at establishmento a sinaup ka rin proyekto ng KDI. Kayabe Careti, Philip Torres ng House of Pidayit.
Nag-start dito yung platform ko. Dito ako nag-start, no? Dito na-launch, no? Under the time of course, Kong Ed, no? Because Pidayit is to unite. Unite everyone, and if we unite, there's a big strength. And thank you so much for everyone. Na sana makagawa ko pang another project para kay Museo ng Angeles at Dakaltapa Asok.
Mitala ka din KDI inyang 1999, king inisyatibo na kanong dating Mayor at Congressman Carmelo Tarzan Lasatin. Kimbisa ng 50 years use-of-rock agreement, karela na penibala ang lumang munisipyo ng ngeni Ausandang Museo ng Angeles. Impreserbasyon na kanuniti ang pong rehabilitasyon, impeka maragol na accomplishment ng KDI kilob ng 25 years. May deklara niya naman iting important cultural property ng bangsa.
Gradually, the museum, or old municipio, evolved from the worn-out edifice used over many years by the City Hall, was renovated, improved from contributions, donations, and personal funds of the Kulyat Foundation officers. Soon we started putting up exhibits, art shows, art classes, cultural affairs, showcase of religious traditions and local culture.
Aparte kin pa magsamas king struktura, penatilyan dala kanuding original design ang pamaterialis na niti. Medina niya namang culinarium. Dakalya pa kanu makalinyang proyekto in KDI at asahan kanong yening banwa in pamamuklat ng culinary showroom.
Probably next year, may buklat siya itang kaming kakatamong culinary showroom and kitchen where we will be featuring different chefs or local chefs na kilala lalo na king Kapampangan Culinary.
Manwala naman ng dating treasurer at board of trustee ng KDI ay Chuck Gueco na dapat laganas ng bibistahan ng Museo ng Angeles lakwas din kayanakan.
Just visit the Museo ng Angeles, definitely you will gain something for the cultural preservation of the culture of Pampanga, and definitely I salute the members that supporting the sponsors and the trustees right now with the leadership of President Lincoln Baluyot.
Kayabe Jenna Lumbang Parungaw, ako po yung Kakain Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong Makabalen.